Hey, hi. This video, you will learn how to compute the total resistance of a series and a parallel circuit. Okay, so let's begin. So for a series circuit, let's say we have R1, R2, and R3. The total resistance of the series circuit is simply add the corresponding resistances of the uh, resistor or the resistances connected in series. So we have, for example, we have 1 ohm, 2 ohm, and 3 ohms. So the total resistance now will be 1 ohm plus 2 ohm plus 3 ohm. So RT is equal to 6 ohm. So next, we have to make a calculation for a parallel circuit. So for a parallel circuit, it's look like this. The connection is uh, the resistances will be across to its power source. Let's say we have a supply here, voltage. So uh, the connection of each resistances is across to the voltage, and in the parallel circuit, it has uh, the same voltages experienced in these three resistance. But here we calculate the total resistance of the branch circuits. Okay, so to make that, we have 1 over RT, or the reciprocal of the total resistance, is equal to the summation of the reciprocal of individual resistances. So let's say we have 1 ohm, 2 ohm, and 3 ohm. So 1 over RT is equal to 1 over 1 plus 1 over 2 plus 1 over 3. So 1 over RT is equal to, let's have LCD here. So we have 6 plus 3 plus 2. So this is 11 over 6. So RT is equal to 6 over 11 ohms. Okay, so that's the solution. And take note that in a parallel circuit or parallel calculation of the total resistance, the value of the total resistance must be smaller uh, than the resistances in the uh, circuit. So for example, here the smaller value is 1, so this must be uh, less than 1. Okay, so 6 over 11 is less than 1. Now let's have an example that is a combination of a series and a parallel resistances. So let's say we have this kind of circuit. So let's say 1 ohm, 2 ohm, and 3 ohm. So first you need to simplify the parallel combination. So we have R23 is equal to 1 over 2 plus 1 over 3. So R23 now is equal to 1 over, let's say we have 6 here. So we have 3 plus 2. So R23 is equal to 1 over 5 over 6, or this is equal to uh, 5 uh, 6 over 5 ohm. Now you will redraw the circuit. So we have R1 here. This is 1 ohm. And now this will become series. So this is 6 over 5 ohm. So RT, just like the formula in a series circuit, since they are in a series connection, 1 plus 6 over 5, or that is uh, 11 over 5 ohms. So that's it. Thank you for uh, watching this video. If you find it helpful, don't forget to like, leave a comment, or ask a question, and subscribe. So thank you.